Computer ports. Computer port is a physical docking point using which an external device can be connected to the computer. Computer port can also be programmatic docking point through which information flows from a program to computer or over network or internet. Examples of external devices attached via ports are mouse, printers, modems, joysticks, and terminals. Types of ports. Serial port, used for external modems and other older computer mouse. It has two versions, 9-pin, 25-pin models. Data travels at 115 kilobytes per second. Parallel port, used for scanners and printers, also called printer port, LPT. 25-pin model, also known as IEEE 1284 compliant Centronics port. PS2 port, used for old computer keyboard and mouse, also called mouse port. Most of the old computers provide two PS2 port, each for mouse and keyboard, also known as IEEE 1284 compliant Centronic port. Universal Serial Bus or USB port can connect all kind of external USB devices such as external hard disk, printer, scanner, mouse, keyboard, etc. Small Computer System Interface SCSI port. It is a set of American National Standard Institute ANSI standard electronic interfaces that allow personal computers PC to communicate with peripheral hardware such as hard disk drives, CD-ROM drives, scanners, backup units, network adapters faster and more flexibly than previous parallel data transfer interfaces. FireWire IEEE 1394 port. It is external connector similar to USB port that provides high-speed connection between computer and peripheral devices. Devices such as video camera, external hard disk drivers, external CD or DVD drivers can be connected to FireWire port.